Okay, today is 29 September 2021. Yesterday I threw this favour and I threw my predictions, which is going to fall to here. And guess what? It's 100% precise, man. So, I remember I threw this one around, I guess the time was 2 maybe, or like 10. And yeah, guess what? This spike up, as a trap as well, just to blow your sell order and and drop. I mean gradually drop lah, so it's not like drastic drop. So you can see it drop to here 4.25%. Obviously you would pick, you would just put your TB, $100 in difference. So maybe, okay, so you can see this fibor, it's around 40700. Okay, it's right here. Okay, so and it literally just touching of it. So yeah, let me look at the BTC. Crazy, man, how accurate I am. So yesterday the lowest is for 40,753. It was this morning, and you can see that it's actually slowing down. Like it takes so long, literally a whole day, 2 days. Previously it just boom, 6 hours down to the bottom. So the momentum is super slow right now, and my guessing is, so it's probably just gonna reach here, retest here, just like what it does right this, like this, and either it goes up or it goes down again, retest here, and like it's gonna consolidate for a while before it goes down again. And once it broke this, you can see how many times it's testing this line. 1, 2, 3, 4 times, man. Most probably if you reach here again, it's probably gonna reach to the bottom of this channel and goes back up real quick, because a lot of people, they put their orders right here around this area. Either it's in 39,500, just around here lah, and also here. People are hoping to drop until there because that is the line. Can we just draw the fibor again? Boom. So you can see that this is the spot that the previous low, and probably just gonna drop to here first. Listen to me. It would drop to here first, and then probably reaches here. And if that is no momentum, or the buy order is not sufficient for us to push it back up, then it probably just gonna drop to here. Okay, and yeah, that's just my 2 cents of opinions. Okay, just to not take this as investment advice. Okay, wow, just can't believe that it just go as what I predicted. And you can see that it's actually consolidating in this area for so long, and it retained constraint within this channel. So this channel is super valid because it does not go beyond this channel, or nor drop below this channel. Somehow this area became a very strong support if you were to zoom out and see this. Let's remove all the drawings as well as all the indicator. Move up a little bit. So yeah, this served as a very strong resistance back then. See right there, as well as right here, right here, right here, and obviously it becomes a very strong support as well. Right here, once it broke up, you see 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time that it tries to break below it. Not gonna lie, they try really hard to break this support because it has been testing this support line for several times. And honestly, I would say for now you cannot see anything though. Honestly, no one can predict the future, are we? Okay, nevertheless, let us check out the EMA. So, okay, let's check this out. It's supposed to be red color. Alright, so you can see that candles have broke below the line, which means that it's currently in downtrend, which is very similar to what has happened right here. Once it broke below the lines, the EMA, these red candles boom, downtrend. Same as here, you can see right there. This is a golden cross. Okay, this is that cross, and here we are experiencing that cross. Okay, this is a valid one, this is not a valid one because it's so close to each other and it does not cross like what is supposed to be. It's supposed to be crossed like this. And if this one goes up and cross this line, something like that, if you can imagine that. Yeah, something like that. A huge one that probably just like this one, probably it will convert back to, go back to the uptrend. But for now, I would say it's still in control by the bear market. Okay, based on the chart. We're still in a bullish wedge. Okay, if you don't know what's bullish wedge, something like that, something like this. Okay, but it's more steep than what it is, and it does not show a significant strength for it to go back to the uptrend. So for that, I would say currently I will still go as planned, which is, so the first confirmation is, first is that, of course. Secondly, that the favour resistance still valid, and the bullish volume is insufficient. 4 is descending channel, still valid. For now, that's what I predict, if you remember. So it will try to hit here. Try to hit to 0.382, and if this serve as a resistance, it's probably just gonna consolidate for a few hours until it reaches here, or before it even reaches here, it's probably just gonna go down to reach here and see if the buy orders is a lot. So if there's a lot of buy orders, it's probably just gonna go back up here, or if I were the people who are investing this, knowing that this will go down straight right here, I'm probably just gonna put my buy order here. But consider that it has been testing for 4 times, so most probably they will put their buy order right here, which is around this area, which is similar here, maybe a bit above or below. So this will serve as, so you can put some orders here. I mean, like, not you, I mean like people will put their buy orders maybe like 0 point, depends on your margin, okay? And this is a bit heavier, and this will be the biggest bet, okay? I'm not saying contract, okay? I'm saying the stocks, okay? You can buy bitcoins according to this favour. Most probably it's just gonna drop to here one day or the other day, or if that's sufficient, or maybe this support serve a very strong support that people put all their bets right here, and the bullish volume, it's enough for it to break above this channel, and we can see a bigger move right here. So it's probably just gonna reach up. Okay, let's calculate for this one. Put this right here. Most probably it will reach to 50,000 if we broke out this descending channel, I mean. Yep, that's my predictions. But look at this one. This is why it's still in downtrend, meaning that the bearish is still in control. Alright, but it doesn't seem to be very, I would not put my very biased opinions right there, because to be honest, this video has been very slow. But yeah, thank you for watching.